Today I'm checking out a really cool pair of wireless headphones. These are the OpenRock S2. I've been using them the past few days and I just wanted to give you a simple breakdown. I'm not a tech expert. I just like stuff that works, sounds great, and fits my lifestyle. These really surprised me. Let's jump in. So first up, comfort. These are open ear, hook clip style earbuds, and they're crazy lightweight. Only 7 grams each. I've used them indoors, on the go, and at the gym. They actually stay in place without pinching or feeling tight. The hook design uses a liquid silicone and titanium wire, so they flex to your ear shape. You kind of forget you're even wearing them. They also don't go in your ear, which is great because my ears usually get sore with normal earbuds. These let you hear your surroundings, while still hearing your music clearly. So they're awesome for running, biking, or just walking around the city. Now let's talk sound. These use something called BassDirect tech, which basically pumps the bass towards your ear without the sound leaking out. The sound is honestly impressive, especially for an open ear style. It supports LDAC for high resolution audio, and it gets pretty loud. You've also got physical buttons, which I actually like more than touch controls. No more accidental taps, and sweat doesn't mess with it. They've got 4 microphones for calls. I tested it while riding my scooter, and my voice still came through very clearly. Okay, so these are definitely built for working out. I've used them on the treadmill, in the gym, even outdoors in some light rain. No problems at all. They're rated IPX5, so sweat and light rain are no big deal. Watch, check this out. Even after sweating a bunch, they stayed comfortable and didn't slip. They've got a smart triple layer sweat-proof design. The way that they're angled actually helps sweat slide away from the electronics. And the inside parts are nano-coated to stay protected. A few features I thought were very cool. Number 1, the remote camera control. If your phone is set up for a pic or video, you can just tap the earbud 4 times and it snaps the photo. It's really perfect for when I was out hiking and I didn't want to fumble with my phone. Number 2, battery life. You get 8 hours on a single charge and 32 hours total with the case. And if you're low on battery, a 5-minute charge gives you 1 hour of use, which saved me more than once. Number 3, the OpenRock app. It gives you access to an equalizer, settings, music modes like rock or relax, and even things like a wear time reminder to protect your ears from overuse. You can also find your earbuds from the app if you misplace them. So who's this for? If you're someone who runs, bikes, walks, or works out a lot, or even just wants a lightweight, comfortable pair of earbuds that sound solid and don't black out the world, these are a great option. For around $99, they feel way more premium than a lot of other earbuds I've tried. The fit is great, the sound is better than expected, and I love the sweat-proof design and the camera control. Anyway, that's my honest take for the OpenRock S2. Let me know what you think or if you tried them. Thanks for watching.